Hi students.
Okay students, let us come to question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integers, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Rita moves to 20 kilometer towards east from point A. Here we marked as point A. She moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. So, along the same road she moves again 30 kilometers towards west. Andre ರೀಟಾ 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರವನ್ನು ಎ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಬಿ ಬಿಂದುವಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಬಿ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಕ್ಕೆ 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರವನ್ನು ಅದೇ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಪೂರ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವ ದೂರವನ್ನು ಧನಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕದಿಂದ ಸೂಚಿಸಿದರೆ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಮಿಸಿದ ದೂರವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಿರಿ? ಎ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಅವಳ ಅಂತಿಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕದಿಂದ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಿರಿ? Since the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, the distance travelled west will be represented by a negative integer. Distance travelled in east direction. In east direction, she moves 20 kilometer to point B. So that is 20 kilometer. Distance travelled in west direction, that is she moves again from B to the direction west, that is 30 kilometers. So that is 30 kilometers. We have to find the distance travelled from A, that is 20 kilometer minus 30 kilometer. Therefore, we will represent the distance travelled by Rita from point A, that is 20 minus 30 is minus 10 kilometer. Therefore, we will represent the distance travelled by Rita from point A by a negative integer, that is minus 10 kilometer. Next, coming to the question number 7, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is first step. The water level is at the 9th step. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನೀರಿನ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಯ ಒಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲುಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಕೋತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಮೆಟ್ಟಲು ಕುಳಿತಿದೆ. ನೀರಿನ ಮಟ್ಟವು 9ನೇ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. In that sub question, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋತಿಯು 3 ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಜಿಗಿದು 2 ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿಗಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಿಗಿದರೆ ಅದು ನೀರಿನ ಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ತಲುಪುತ್ತದೆ? Let the steps moved down be represented by a positive integers and the steps moved up be represented by a negative integers. Initially, the monkey was at step 1. ಕೋತಿಯು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. After first jump, the monkey will be at 1 plus 3. that is equal to 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 3 ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 1 + 3 is 4. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜಂಪ್ ದ ಮಂಕಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಗ್ದಾಗ 4 - 2. Because why here negative? Because he jumps back 2 steps. So we represent moved up by negative integer. So that is 2. And next, after third jump the monkey will be at step 2. Again he jumps 3 steps. So we represent +3. Here we get 5. Again after fourth jump the monkey will be at step. After fourth jump 5. Again monkey move back 2 steps. So here -2, that is equal to 3. Next, after fifth jump the monkey will be at 3. Again monkey move down 3 steps. So +3, that is equal to 6. After sixth jump the monkey will be at step 6. Again he moved back. So -2, that is 4. Next, after seventh jump the monkey will be at 4. Again he moved 3 steps. So that is 7. Next, after eighth jump the monkey will be at 7. Again he moved back. So -2, that is 5. After ninth jump the monkey will be at 5. Again 3 steps he moved down. So that is 3, that is equal to 5 + 3 is 8. Next, after 10th jump the monkey will be at step 8. Again he moved back 2 steps. So -2, that is 6. After 11th jump the monkey will be at 6. Again he moved 3 steps. So +3, that is 9. So clearly the monkey will reach water level, that is 9th step, after 11 jumps. So after 11 jump monkey will reach the water level at 9th step. Okay, in that sub question 2, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Initially the monkey was at the step 9. So we represent monkey moving up in negative integers and in move down in positive integers. So after first jump the monkey will be at the step 9. He is moving up. So he is moving up 4 steps. So -4, that is 5. Next, after second jump the monkey will be at 5. Again he jumps back 2 steps. So +2, that is equal to 7. Next, after third jump the monkey will be at 7. After he moves upside 4 steps. So -4, that is 3. After fourth jump the monkey will be at step 3. Again he move downside 2 steps. So 3 + 2, that is 5. After fifth jump the monkey will be at 5. Again he move upside 4 steps. So -4, that is equal to 1. Clearly the monkey will reach back at the top step after fifth jump. So he reached the top of the top steps. So clearly the monkey will reach back at the top step after fifth jump. Next, in that third sub question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following: a -2 plus 2 etc. that is equal to minus 8. Next part B, 4 minus 2 plus 4 etc. that is equal to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಚಲಿಸಿದ ಮೆಟ್ಟಲುಗಳು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಋಣಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಚಲಿಸಿದ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಧನಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕ ಅಂಕದಿಂದ ಸೂಚಿಸಿದರೆ ಭಾಗ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಗ 2ರಲ್ಲಿನ ಅದರ ಚಲನೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. A minus 3 plus 2 etc. that is equal to minus 8. B 4 minus 2 plus that is etc. that is equal to 8. A ನಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೊತ್ತ -8 ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. -8 ಇದು 8 ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲುಗಳ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. B ಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೊತ್ತ 8 ಇದು ಏನನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. So if steps moved down are represented by negative integers and steps moved up are represented by positive integers, then his moves will be as follows. Moves in part 1, that is minus 3 plus 2 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 minus 3 that is equal to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, again 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 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, next minus 3, that is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 that is equal to minus 8. Next, moves in part 2. 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 that is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, again 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 4 that is equal to 8. So moves in part 2 represent going up in 8 steps.
Thank you.